Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Develop English Skills. Dear all, today you are going to learn about nouns. Nouns are very important parts of speech in English language. It helps you to improve your vocabulary. Not only it improves but it develops your vocabulary. Nouns are usually the first word which small children learn. So let's know what is a noun. Noun is a word used to name a person, place, animal, thing, and abstract ideas. You should also know that the word noun came from Latin word, that is nomen, that means name. So the noun means naming word. As you have learned from the definition that the nouns are the words used to name a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Boy, girl, these are the name of persons. So it is a noun. Then school is a name of place. Lion is the word used to name animal. Ice cream is a word used to name a thing. And freedom is also a naming word. It is a word used to express an idea of freedom. Now identify these pictures and name them. So who's there in the first picture? That's great, teacher. So teacher is a person who teaches in the school. Nowadays teachers are teaching online. Then students. After that there is a doctor, one who treats sick people. Then there is joker. Joker is a person who makes you laugh with his tricks. Then there is a picture of a pilot. And the last picture is a picture of APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the former President of India. All these words we have used are nouns that name people. Now identify these pictures. These pictures are of different places. So in the first picture there is a school. So school is a place where children go to study. So the word school is a naming word. Next is a picture of library, where we go to read different books in silence, or you can borrow books from library also. Next is a picture of a mall. So the word mall is a naming word because it is the name of a place. Then you can see a city. So the word city again is a large and important town. You can see a park. So the word park is a naming word. It's a name of place. Then there is a kitchen. It is a room in a house where your mom cooks food. So the word kitchen is a name of place. So all these words are the nouns that name places. Now what do you see on the screen? There is a dog. So the word dog is a naming word. Dolphin, bee, cat, lion, snake. So their names are naming words. So they are the nouns that name animals. So nouns are the words used to name different animals, birds, reptiles and insects. Now the words we use to name different things and objects are also called nouns. For example, book, laptop, apple, pencil, almirah, rose and many more things. So the word that we use to name those things or objects is a noun. We also use different naming words for different ideas. For example, anger, happiness, love, friendship, bravery, knowledge. All these are nouns. These naming words refers to a thing that does not exist as material object. These kinds of noun can't be seen or touched. We can just feel these ideas. I am sure you have understood about nouns, that the nouns are the naming words used to name a person, place, animal, thing or different ideas. Now let me test your skills. You have to pick out the nouns in the following sentences. The woman carried an umbrella. Now what is a noun here? That's good. Woman, because it is a name of person, and umbrella, it is a name of a thing. Second sentence, she cuts vegetables with a knife. Now pick out nouns. Vegetables is a name of a thing and a knife is also a name of thing. The tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is the name of an animal and the word animal itself is a noun. Amritsar is a fascinating city. So here Amritsar is a name of a place. So it's a noun and the word city is also a naming word. I hope you have understood the concept of nouns. Now in my next video, you will learn different types of nouns. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay healthy.